In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Bookings in Outlook. By the end, you'll have a clean booking page that lets people reserve time on your calendar without the back and forth. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Select the official Outlook site, then sign in with your work or school account. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, you'll be in the right place. Once you're in Outlook on the web, switch to the calendar view. You can do this from the left sidebar. Look for the calendar icon if you're on the mail page. In the calendar interface, look at the left-hand pane for the option to create or edit your booking page. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Create or Edit Booking Page, or Bookings with Me. Both take you to the same feature. If you don't see it at first glance, try expanding the pane or checking the More Options menu in the sidebar. On the Bookings with Me page, select the plus sign to add a new meeting type. You can choose whether this meeting type is public, which means it will show on your booking page for anyone with the page link, or private, which hides it and gives you a unique link to share with select people. Public is great for general office hours. Private is best for by-invitation slots. Next, fill in the meeting details. Give your meeting a clear title that tells invitees exactly what the time is for, like initial consultation or weekly check-in. In the description, briefly explain the purpose, what the attendee should prepare, and any expectations, such as whether cameras are required or files should be shared in advance. This context reduces confusion and helps the meeting start smoothly. Choose the location. If it's in person, enter a physical location. For online meetings, select Microsoft Teams to automatically generate a meeting link. Set the duration to match how long you typically need. Then confirm whether the meeting type is public or private based on how you want it discovered and shared. By default, the availability shown comes from your Outlook work hours. Click See Regular Hours to adjust. Here you can fine-tune which days and times you're available for this specific meeting type, which is useful if you only want, for example, afternoon slots. When everything looks good, click Save. Your meeting type is now live on your booking page. Copy the page link and share it in your email signature, in chat, or on your website. Anyone who books will see times that respect your availability, and the event will land directly on your calendar with all the details you set.